Okay, hey now, besties. I have had these set on for 3 weeks. Well, maybe 2 days short of 3 weeks. And it's time to take these off. Look, we got some lift going on right here already before I start to soak them. And I'm going to tell you that I am so surprised that these lasted as long as they did because I tried a new method and it worked. So I cannot wait to share with you what I did a little different from my normal procedure and methods. Yeah, this was a game changer. All right, stay tuned.
I am not
I'll
a
be back.
fan of the sticky tab because I don't really think your nails stay on with these little stickies. However, what I have been challenged with is using it in a different way that make the press-on nails adhere and stay even longer than my normal 2-week process with using a peel-off top coat. So I'm demonstrating that to you just so you can see what I do of the nail bed. So I'm going to show you a quick example here with this thumbnail that's in its grow back season. So you pull back the little film, you pull off one of the stickies. That's okay that all came off. Needs to come off anyway. And then here's your little sticky tab. See that there? Okay. I am going to apply it on my nail bed. You kind of want to bring it up a little from the edge of your cuticle, not take it all the way back to the cuticle. I've already prepped my nail. I've dehydrated it. I've filed it. And now, as you can see, the sticky tab is on there. And I like to rub on it for a nice limit of 30 to 60 seconds and make sure that it adheres good. And then once it's on there good, this one like it's kind of adhering pretty good. So you're going to lift up your tab here. And sometimes you can use some little tweezers to grab that little piece. See how it's lifting up? That means I haven't let it get really sticky on the nail bed. Let's do it again. Let's rub a little bit more. And then let's try to lift that film up again without pulling up the sticky tab. Sometimes it works real good. Sometimes it don't. There you go. Still not perfect, but it's pulling up. It's a little lift right there. You see that? I like to take the film, flip it back over, and just rub down on that part that may kind of pop up. There we go. See that? It's on there real good. Okay. Next step is you want to take your nail that you're going to use for that particular nail, and then you want to apply the glue just around the edges of the nail, the faux nail. Okay, hold on. Of your artificial press-on nail. See how I'm doing that? Not too much, but enough to hit the perimeter on your nail bed. So get that glue around that part, just like that. You're gonna lift your nail up, flip it, flip it. Uh-oh, it's stuck on me. God diggity, dang it. Okay, let me see, do I need more? Yeah, let's try it without putting more glue. Stick it on your nail bed, back of the cuticle, press down and push. And just make sure that you're holding down on those edges. And I like to go from left to right to the back and just hold it down until I feel like it's fully adhered. Just like such. Make sure there's no bubbles because this particular nail is translucent on the French. So you want to make sure you don't see any bubbles. And it should do pretty good because we got the sticky tab right there dead in the middle. So see that there? Yeah, a little glue residue. Let me just take this cardboard, wipe that off. Get that little extra spillage off, and there you go. It's on there. It's on there. That is the process. Sticky tab on, glue around the perimeter from the left to the back to the right, and then put your press-on nail on. And I'm telling you, this technique is fire. So try this out and let me know what you think, okay? Make comments. I'm going to finish this nail set and show you the end results. This hand is done. Now I'm going to finish this one. Okay, let's continue because I found the quickest way to apply the sticky tabs is using my little tweezer to pull it off the sheet and then apply it onto my nail bed. So let's do that. I'll grab it by the tab, just like such. Now I am working with my non-dominant hand, so bear with me. I'm not as steady working with my left hand versus my right, but as you can see, the position of that is up a little high. So I'm gonna pull it down just a little bit, but I still want that tab to be above the base of my cuticle. Okay. And then we're going to just press it and rub it down good. And we'll let it kind of just stick on before I remove the film of any of these. And then finish out this last little baby nail, and then we'll remove them off. So yeah, this is hybrid technique with the sticky tabs, and then use a regular strong nail glue around the perimeter of the nail. And I found this technique once again to be very effective. I was so surprised that I did not lose not one nail from my last install, and I had those on for 3 weeks solid. And it even took a little extra soaking to remove the nails, just because the sticky tabs is a different type of adhesive than just the regular nail glue. And this is the one that I'm using lately, which is the Beauty Secrets nail glue by Sally's Beauty Supply. Some people say they think it's the best. Others say they don't think it works well. I'm in the middle. I find it effective doing while using it for this hybrid process. Other times when I'm using my top coat finish, maybe it didn't adhere as great as maybe some of my other glues that I've used, like my brush on glues. But nevertheless, I do find it to be effective on that. And let's bump into the removal of the sticky tabs so I can finish showing you the process. So I take my tweezers like such, get the top of the little tab. Now, some will probably put the tab the opposite direction. It's a matter of choice and taste. It doesn't matter as long as you get the tab on there. And that is, let's see. Yeah, it didn't lift the tab, as you can see. Huh? Okay. All right. It may not be the most glamorous technique, but it works. Okay. Things don't go as perfect as we would like them to. But nevertheless, the sticky tabs are on there. Now, let me show you. I did a mix, guys. So you're seeing these different nails here is because I wanted to mix it up. I wanted to apply the neon pink mix with these polka dots just because I'm traveling out of town for my sorority conference, and I like that neon pink. And so I kind of did some swapping around, and I like this look a little bit better. Okay, so that's what I did there. So let's go ahead and start. You can see I did the thumb already. So let's start with my next point finger. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to leave it on the little white card here, the stock card. See that? Okay. Now we're going to take the tip of the nail, so I don't get glue everywhere like I did earlier. And then let's go ahead and place it. And as you can see, I have a gap between the sticky tab and my cuticle. Okay. Because you want that glue to stick. Uh-oh. Some of the glue is coming off here. You want that glue to stick around the nail bed, back close to the cuticle, and around the side of the nail. And I'm going to hold that for about 14 seconds. It's a little overage. That's okay. We'll wipe that off. Again, I like to count for about 14 seconds. And then me using my little stock cards to just kind of wipe off the extra, just like such. Can you see that? Yeah. And then when I'm finished applying all, if I got any glue on the tip of the nail or the nail bed of my press-on nail, acetone to take that right off. I saw this maybe from someone that posted over a year ago that they did the hybrid technique. I'm not taking credit for it because I saw someone else do it, and I tried it, and it worked. You see that? Or do you hear that? Let me move this over so you can see. Yes, it's on there. And that is the hybrid technique. Okay, so I'm going to finish this out. I'm going to do one more for you because I want you to see it again. One more time, okay? And then I'll get on about my business of finishing up my nails because I got to finish packing to go out of town. Okay? Again, just drop that glue with a few dots all the way around the back of the nail and on the side of the nail. Okay? Just like such. Yep, that's good. Now, again, I'm going to use the little tweezers to pick it up and then apply it to the back of that little space back there by the cuticle where there's no adhesiveness, and then up, down, and then use my finger to apply that extra pressure and make sure that it's sticking in those corners and we don't see any bubbles through this translucent. So yeah, if you are interested in using the sticky tabs, now I would say, one would say, well, what is the benefit of using the sticky tab as opposed to just put the glue on your nail, put your press on and going out the door? Well, I find that the sticky tab is not as harsh on the nail bed either as just full-blown glue on the nail bed. And if you do not have a top coat peel off to help protect your nail bed, here's another option for you. You can use the sticky tabs and use the hybrid effect. Stickies on the middle of the nail, leaving a little room of the cuticle on the back, and then apply nail glue around the perimeter of the corners of the nail to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. And then the final tip is to make sure that you secure the back of the nail gap. You see this here? Usually you put your nails on, there's a little space between the nail tip and your nail bed here. I like to take a little of the glue here, the tip of it, and just drop a little glue, just one dot of glue right in here. I've already done this one. So you don't have any lifting, and also that helps protect from water getting off in your nail. But you want to make sure, see how that's seeping off in there? That provides a barrier and a block so you don't get water trapped off in there. And that can cause your nails to get weak and soft and damage. Okay? You just take a little cardstock, wipe off that on your skin. And then when everything dry, you can just use a file to kind of clean up that glue. It comes off pretty easy. So no worries there. Yeah. So there you go. And not going anywhere. It's eating, baby. Yeah. So try this technique and see if it works for you. Okay? And I'm looking forward to see if it proves the 2-3 week method again. I don't know if I'll keep them on past 2 weeks, but the last set did last for 3 weeks. So yeah. So in this video, as you can see, I have not only showed you how to apply the hybrid method with the sticky tabs and then with a strong nail glue, customize a set that I like better than the set that I purchased. And we're going to go with that. We're going to go with this look. And so, yeah, I didn't comment. These again are nails from Shein.com, the 10-piece handmade nail, nice acrylic overlay. Yeah, these are eaten. I love it. I love the quality. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. All right, nail besties, thank you so much for checking out the finishing touch. It's always a joy to bring you some new content. I hope you like and subscribe because I want to be able to share even more with you. Look out for a nail haul coming soon. All right. Love and hugs. Take care of yourself because you deserve it. Mwah.